Hey everyone, I'm back with another classic cocktail for you. This is the Whiskey Sour. So we're gonna need a few things. It is a shaken cocktail, so we're gonna have our shaker tin, our jigger for accurate measurement, our hawthorn strainer, and our mesh strainer because we'll be using fresh lemon juice for this one. And this one is gonna go in a rocks glass. So you are going to need egg white, or you can use a vegan alternative if you would like to do so. You'll need simple syrup, your fresh lemon juice, and then a rye whiskey of your choosing. So to start out, don't forget, ingredients are going to be listed down below so that way you can build the cocktail with me. So to start out, you can, if you would like to use a fresh egg, that is completely acceptable. You'll just use one egg white from an egg, or you can measure out 0.75 of egg white that you can buy at the store. Then we're going to do 0.5 ounces of simple syrup, 0.5 ounces of our fresh squeezed lemon juice, and then we're going to do 1.75 of our favorite rye whiskey. Now, you can do this cocktail with bourbon as well. My husband in particular really enjoys it, but that's just his take on it. Now, I almost made my mistake. In one of the previous cocktails that took egg white, I didn't do a mime shake because I just shake very aggressively. So for this one, just so you can see, we're going to do a mime shake. And what that means, or a dry shake, you can call it either way. So that means that we're going to shake this without any ice in it for just a short period of time to get that egg white all frothy, and then we're going to add some ice into it. I do recommend holding the back and the top of the shaker for this one, just because you're going to get some air flowing in there, which means it's going to pop the top. I've had it happen to me a few times. So we've got our ice going in now. So same situation. Make sure it's nice and tight. Again, our tin is nice and cold, which is like frozen together here. There we go. So we've got our hawthorn strainer going on top. Our mesh strainer, we are going to put ice in our rocks glass as well. And then we are going to strain. And then this one does not technically have a garnish because we've got that beautiful frothiness over the top, but I am going to express a lemon peel over the top, give it a nice rub around the glass, and then you can just discard this, or you can put it in if you would really like to have a garnish, but I'm going to leave mine out. And there you have it, the classic whiskey sour. Now, if you guys are enjoying our content here and liking seeing me every day, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and let me know if you make any of my cocktails because I want to know how you like them at home. Until the next pour, cheers.